Welcome to Lake Superior College. I'm Dr. Linda Kingston, and I'm honored to serve as the president of this incredible institution, a place where opportunity meets community and where your future truly begins. For more than 80 years, Lake Superior College has been the top choice for students from northeastern Minnesota, statewide, and around the world. Located in the beautiful city of Duluth, Minnesota, our main campus is set on a majestic 97-acre wooded lot overlooking Lake Superior and the St. Louis River. LSC's story began in 1945, and we've been growing ever since, expanding our programs, our spaces, and our impact. Today, Lake Superior College serves thousands of students each year with hands-on learning, small classes where instructors know your name, and real support from people who care about your future. With more than 80 career and transfer programs, plus flexible online and on-campus options, there's a path for everyone in healthcare, business, industry, or the liberal arts. We've recently expanded our T building, bringing our manufacturing programs back to the main campus, where welding, machine tool, and computer-aided design students learn side by side in modern, high-tech labs. In our newly renovated Erickson Library and Tutoring and Learning Center, students have the space and support they need to study, collaborate, and thrive. Beyond the classrooms, our campus is alive with community. From Hawks Landing and the Commons to our student lounge, LSC offers welcoming spaces to connect, relax, and belong. The campus also features an award-winning hiking trail and designated trout stream that provides both recreational and outdoor learning opportunities. LSC Student Services Center is a one-stop hub with access to admissions, advising, financial aid, mental health, and accessibility services. Our first-generation, low-income, and underrepresented students have access to the TRIO Student Support Services program, which provides them with a personalized support system to contribute to their success. Our programs extend beyond our main campus. Our Center for Advanced Aviation, located at the Duluth International Airport, is home to our professional pilot, aviation maintenance technician, and aviation management programs. These programs and students have regular access to companies like Cirrus, a global leader in personal aviation, Delta Airlines, a regional hub for international travel, and Ascent Aviation, providing exceptional fixed-wing and helicopter service for our professional pilot program. LSC's Emergency Response Training Center, a 105-acre facility located in Gary, New Duluth, is recognized as a premier training facility for firefighting departments in the Upper Midwest. The ERTC also hosts our Emergency Rescue Training Hub, Lake Superior's truck driving program, and our continuing education and customized training programs. Lake Superior College is proud to be our region's college, an engine for workforce development, innovation, and economic strength. Through partnerships, clinics, and outreach, we continue to serve and support the Northland, shaping futures and strengthening communities. At Lake Superior College, we're more than a campus. We're a community that meets you where you're at, believes in your potential, and powers your future. We're proud of our past, excited for what's ahead, and honored to be your top choice for education in the Northland.